Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson of English, and that lesson is about a boy who could not draw. Okay, so this is now, I hope all the children have got their Bridges book, and if you have not yet got your Bridges book, please go to school and collect the book. It is available in the school, and you can do this lesson very well now because the book is all with you. Now this lesson tells you about a boy who could not draw. Now what is the past tense of can? It is could. So the story is about a boy who was not able to draw, and let's read the story how it goes. Okay. Now I will read aloud from the book, and you have to read once I finish the reading. Once there was a little boy called Roger. What was the name of the boy? Roger. Who was very sad. He was very sad. Once there was a little boy, Roger. He loved school and was good at all his lessons except drawing. Now, he was a boy whose name was Roger. And he loved school. Why he loved school? Because he was a student. He wanted to go to school. Now that you all want to go to school, but the schools are not open. So similarly, he loved school and was good at all the subjects, all the lessons except drawing. Drawing was a subject which he did not like. He could write neatly and recite a poem well. Okay, he could write neatly and recite a poem well. That means he could do anything. He could read the book, he could recite the poem, he could narrate the lesson, he could write well. But what one thing he did not know was drawing. He did not know how to draw. He was not scared of numbers. Now the next page, I will just finish this here and then I will just go to the next page. He was not scared of numbers. Now what do you mean by scared? Scared means darna. He was not scared of numbers and would manage to finish the most difficult sums on addition and multiplication in no time at all. Yes, he was not scared of numbers and would manage to finish the most difficult sums on addition and multiplication in no time at all. No, he was good at recitation, he was good at narration of the story, he could write very well in his notebook, and he could do all the mathematics sums, addition sums, multiplication sum in no time. But what he was not good at? He was not good at drawing. Above all, he was obedient, helpful and very polite. He was very obedient. Obedient means he listened to teacher, he listened to his parents very well, and he could do all the work by himself, and he listened to to all the elders in his family. So he was an obedient child and very helpful too. Whenever the mother needs any help, he would help the mother also, and very polite also. Not very not a child who's always screaming or shouting or throwing tantrums. He was not. He was a very polite child. But when it came to drawing, he was terrified. When it came to draw, he used to feel very scared. He was very scared of drawing. He could not draw at all. Draw kar hi nahi sakta tha. He could not draw at all. He admired the way his classmates drew flowers, animals, birds and houses with ease. He admired. What do you mean by admired? Kisi ki tareef karna. He admired the way his classmates, the way his friends could draw a house or a butterfly or a flower, or with very easily they could draw. His teacher would often say sadly, "What shall I do with you, Roger?" And the teacher sometimes would say, "मैं क्या करूँ Roger तुम्हारे साथ? You don't know how to draw. I don't know I don't know if this drawing is meant to be a dustbin, a table, an elephant, or an orange. Now, whenever he could draw, the teacher would say, I don't know what you have drawn. Abhi, it doesn't even look like a dustbin or a table or an elephant or an orange. I don't know what you have made. So you must try and do better than this. So the teacher used to say, you must try and do better than this. And poor Roger felt very sad. He was very sad. He knew, what is the past tense of know? Knew. He knew what his teacher said was true, and he knew that whatever teacher is telling is absolutely true. It's not wrong. Okay. And once he tried to draw an aeroplane, but the result was a bird with no head and two tails. Once what he tried to draw an aeroplane, but what was the result? It turned out to be a bird with no head and two tails. He drew an aeroplane, but it looked like the bird. So everybody made fun of his drawing. That look what Roger is drawing. So if I ask you a question, what was Roger good at? Roger was good at all the subjects except drawing. And how do you know that Roger was not afraid of numbers? Because he could do all the multiplication and additional sum by himself without any problem, without any difficulty. Which sentence tells us that Roger was really not good at drawing? Which sentence tells? Because once he tried making an aeroplane, it turned out to be a bird with no head and two tails. So this was about the lesson. These 2 pages we have done it. So we would be doing next page tomorrow, or maybe we will finish reading of the page now after this video. Okay. So children, in the next page now, this is the 3rd page, which will be reading of the boy who could not draw. Then what happened? He was not good at drawing as usual, and when he tried to draw an aeroplane, it came out to be a bird. It looked like a bird with no head and 2 tails. So one day the teacher gave the students some homework. Now you also get homework, online also you are getting homework. So one day the teacher gave the students some homework, and what was that homework? That they have to draw, they have to do over the weekend. What they have to do over the weekend? The teacher gave the students some homework to do over the weekend. That is, the teacher gave the homework on the Saturdays and Sundays. That the children, what they should do, the teacher said, I want you to think of a lovely pattern for the wallpaper of a school. Now the school walls were empty. School ki walls khali thi. So the teacher said that I want you to draw or to think of lovely patterns. सुंदर सुंदर designs आप imagine करिए, आप सोचिए and अपनी क्लास के wallpaper के लिए बनाइए. उसको आप draw it on a sheet of paper and color it. Now you draw it and you color them. That means you have to make, just see the picture. You have to make smart patterns like this and then color it for the school wallpaper, for the school wall. Roger went home thinking about the pattern. He thought what pattern he will make. He felt very gloomy. Gloomy means he felt very sad. When no idea came to him, no idea came to his mind, and he felt very sad. What wonderful patterns his classmate would present to the teacher on Monday. He was thinking, क्या nice patterns मेरी classmates, जो मेरे friends हैं, वो बना के teacher को देंगे, because they were all good at drawing, and he was not good at drawing, and he was feeling very sad for that. And he could not draw, and that was the truth. It was, he would have nothing at all. There was nothing in his mind that he was thinking about drawing, and he could not draw, and that was the truth. That was a fact, that he could not draw a good pattern, and he could not even imagine a good pattern for the wallpaper. He decided to go out into the woods. Where he decided to go? He thought that he will go to the jungle, to the forest, and then he would think, maybe his mind will start thinking some good ideas about the wallpaper, about the school walls. Some patterns will come into his mind. There he saw a beautiful yet mysterious house of snow. He saw you can see in the picture, he saw a beautiful house of snow, and it was a mysterious house. What do you mean by mysterious? Which is not understandable. बड़ा अद्भुत सा, mysterious सा, secret सा, जिसके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं था. He saw that mysterious house of snow. He peeped in and saw a brownie sitting at a table. Now he peeped in. He just peeped in. Peeped मतलब उसने झांक के अंदर खिड़की से देखा that there was a brownie. Who's a brownie? Brownie is an elf. Bona. Bona आपको पता है? ब से Bona. Brownie was sitting at a table, busy drawing patterns on a sheet of paper. Now he saw a brownie, an elf. ELF, elf means a small boy. An elf means a Bona who was sitting in the hut, and he was drawing patterns on a sheet of paper. The patterns were very unusual. They were very different. जो patterns वो बना रहा था वो बहुत different बना रहा था. And they were very different. Roger went inside the house quietly and politely said, "Can I have a look at your patterns, please?" He went inside the hut and he said, "Can I see these patterns, please?" The brownie smiled at Roger and asked him to sit down by his side. Brownie said, "Okay, you sit down and just see what I am doing." He says, "Take a look," said he. Roger became very excited on seeing the beautiful pattern and asked the brownie where he got the patterns from. He says, "तुम्हें कहाँ से ये patterns मिले हैं?" He says, "I got it from the snow." He says, "मेरे को तो snow से pattern मिले." Snow means बर्फ से मिले. Replied the brownie, "Each snow crystal is a beautiful pattern by itself." He says, each snow crystal means एक snow का जो piece होता है, snow means बर्फ के piece में बहुत से जो crystals होते हैं उसमें बड़ी तरह तरह के design होते हैं. Come, I will show you. So they caught, catch का past tense, caught. They caught a snowflake on a piece of black velvet, and when Roger looked at it through the brownie's magnifying glass, he saw to his amazement that the flake was made up of snow crystals lightly joined. So tomorrow, children, will finish the lesson. Till now, you please read the lesson at least 3 times and mark the difficult words for dictation. So tomorrow we will finish the lesson and we will do dictation of the difficult words and we'll write the word meaning also. Okay, children, just read these pages at least 3 times loudly and do the difficult words, spellings, and tomorrow there will be another video of the lesson finishing and some classwork will be followed by that. With this, I just say goodbye.